Hello guys, welcome to Test Keys tutorial. This is Johnson Kevin with you guys here today. Please subscribe and hit the notification button to help my channel grow. Thank you so much. I appreciate for your assistance guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. Here today on this video I'm going to show you guys how Bitcoin is rising and how much profit has been adding to the money balance left on one of my luno accounts. About 3 months ago I left 1000 naira in Nigerian currency in one of my luno wallets, and now is adding almost 1000 naira to it. So see how much profit we've made already right now in it. Okay, let me take you to luno. Then open the luno wallet. All right, see what's going to happen. Yes, luno is 8 million naira today. Right now luno is 8 million naira today, presently now. Yeah, so you can check now, see how much it cost for just one bitcoin. Fine. So I told you, I let me check the last transaction I did. Last transaction, let me show you, should be 4 months now or more than. Let me check. Let's see transaction from bitcoin. Let's see, this is my small account. Okay, all right, here is it. Okay, i I bought bitcoins June. That was okay. That was on June 15. I bought Bitcoin on June 15. June, July, August, September, October, November. Like 6 months. June 15, I bought Bitcoin for 985 naira. You can see it. 985 naira. Right? That was the last Bitcoin I bought. Okay. Fine and good. Then let me take you back. Then today, that was the last transaction. Then today I have 1873 naira. So guys, I am going to give you an update like my other big account. I don't play it on the screen. I have other cash there. So right now what I'm trying to tell you is that you can invest on luno, bitcoin, and make profit, but it takes a longer time for you. You just have to be patient. So it takes a longer time, but you actually have to put a big money so you can get profit. Your money won't be at any risk, you understand? So you just have to put money there and leave it for some time to grow, you understand? So actually I transfer the money from my wallet to bitcoin saving or investment wallet, which you can see the investments here. So we can open it. Bitcoin made a new program called Bitcoin investment, a new plan called Bitcoin investment. You understand? So where you invest your bitcoins and you add some little profit, you take some little profits to your bitcoin. So you can see it has been adding some 0.2.40, 0.32 bitcoin and naira. You understand? Very small profits, but meanwhile the bitcoins there also has to grow. It's not only about the profit, but it grows as the value goes up. You can see it very well. So that is it. I really appreciate you guys. Please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to also hit the notification button to always get videos like this when I upload new videos. Thank you. You're welcome to Test Keys tutorial. I still remain Johnson Kelvin. Bye bye.